and so nipa na take full charge of ayi sa crow from ade no and na na baba nwe ne se ba kota ye crow from to nchen ha me no mienu di ho dance na no ye fa kwada so onio market ho kwada so another market bi osoro nipa tre penalty dwom ho
ye BFL
come on kwada so dwom se kwada so MC temi anope ya agina se akota so yes park no so dwane ho honom no fe nipa tre na ti dwom ho nom
bianko
but yeti kwan ho
me see onio market no e wo kwada so interchange na se at greater beauty free
radia
nipa bewu
onio market no ho no ene omo another market o masini kama e wo soro ho no mo ana omo ba ko so agina se omo tafo omo
ba obi anko
central mosque nchen ho ya ba ku yo mama be bi o
I swasi market the fee said this is the time when I was saying nananoma by authority because when or two for opimso said to Nana Wadaroma and opayable din akasem Elder said this is what I want to know more be antra hono minim nipa o to me otna ho
any o man no me free o mo nsem ministers o mo Ashanti region say wo shiro prindu a onka ta enu aba yanim Accra regional minister enya bia na wa Ashanti region edumre bia yen ka no kora nkere mpanyimfo bi Accra regional minister adwumadi a wodie edumre bia ye se e na Ashanti region e strong go dem people enti dia enti wonya adwuma ni
agosi only man there Kumasi dynamics no na kofa problem unim say Kumasi for you I am agreeing with you say our own attitude and our political lens inti yenyam puntu
the same thing applies to voter region upako voter region NDC wa power almost NDC and neglect omo all because say NDC so fee say voter region ya yakoma me koye project bi na me kotu nipa baako mienu miensa
omo the project ni kwa de omo nye
no
voter region there obe kan kra NDC betime dia dance say MPP say NDC voter forecast NDC di omuhama no clear on the basis of development.
Yes.
Voters know from voter region say NDC ebabe disu ni nyina no. Ene no munya.
Ene hono me ya mu ministers ni
asama na bantu mahine ken akontawe. Unsa na nanoma ye bi pema problem bai. Emro say si bebe ye meyo no. Na nanom decide say omo bebo say si be amana ye successful. Ewi ase no bi de number bi say na nanom ase o say si be adwuma ye omo gini tumi afre nsem ana na me kaipa na bantima hene ene asafo hene ene empanimfo no bamu part to help o say si be to be successful na kroya ye fe bedu bebi no omo de nam say ahemfo no
this time around omo famra nana no momwa omo de benam no sebio ya omo de benam no ye mfa ho ya bre because Kumasi ay time no na ahemfo no makuku down
Dr. Mensa we
Mamene Honorable Patrick Kwame from Portugal Honorable me watching
opposition for because sensitive
Honorable Pom to say
me adom onke ko
eje for ne ahwefo ni amene di nkomo se sia no ye crow from assemblyman wadaroma minim say there crow from market ti hu kakra kire akosi say
minia medasifi mamenchia sompratie fonyana momu ni afuntia crow from market say they were winning more abakwasem no the share from company that you think for pension ebesime ameka se dwane ntimi nyire na November ya etwem ya na assembly na call special meeting the crow from muja and central market phase 2 any phase 1 and some ACC any car park the person do assembly go kwatena ho na the assembly ni nyina abona kwa kwesi ne say crow from jan etwase etimi ye afi de ebeko bia say ye kon na etimi wi jan na emum no ye nton koso se be kwa kopelun ne bank sembia do ne emum no the assembly na ne say central government MY na omra me dwan eno so achi no assembly no ene ekwakuo bi omwo amanone onze ho no ana
Honorable Party Kwame from Paul central government is there hello
so yɛn nsa ka yɛde bɛkɔ akɔwie dwa no a sika mu du a sɛ ba yɛbɛtumi awie dwa no nyinaa nti saa nneɛma wei mmienu na assembly no akɔdwene ho na
ala party kwamfre pon central government ye a wonya ne ho atwa ye
menua me gidi sɛ aban bia wɔ n'ani so adi ho no sɛ de ɔman no bɛsi akɔ bia na aban bɛyɛ mpuntu afi aban bɛyɛ kwan afi aban bɛsi school afi aban bɛsi dwabi afi aban bɛsi hospital bi ti sɛ aban no susu sɛ kurofom dwa na kyɛ na ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ ɔmampani dada agye kum kɔ 4% na yɛ jubilee project ɛyɛ Ghana at 50 na sɛ mfie bɛɛ sɛ edu ne akyire ne mfansa ɛkɔ mfie bɛɛ sɛ dunum sɛ yɛ ntimi nwie na sɛ yɛde kɔ ne sɛ aban no kasa bi a ne ho ti nti wɔnyɛ a na msɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛhu ɛkwanfo bɛfa so ɛno akyi assembly no so ɛnam ka sɛ yɛso yɛwɔ anamɔ foforɔ a yɛtu a yɛhwɛ sɛ donor fund ɛbɛ tindi bi yɛ project akɛseɛ no sɛ sika no so ɛba yɛde bɛkɔ ho na yɛde akɔ complete ne mmom no yɛntɔ nkɔ so ɛnkɔnkɔ jebosia ana ene nneɛma bi ɛwɔ bank bi because yɛahwɛ ni a yɛbɛwie dwa no na saa deɛ no so aba bi di assembly ni nya
honorable party conference point me da asia no pay crofrom and odi
do that. And I'll forever love you, Hobson. Don't think me and you me to me for me because me open me crana me ba more. You know to me for me. Dear papa no, I will commend you. O call for MP Shepa, O call GG electric post near the idea the Breu constituency. I came and sat on my platform and I praised you for that. But they say that's why my alarm no, sa alarm beba no, a do too much. And it is destroying the party and it is destroying you, your own credibility. You are selling a party and at the same time destroying the party. So what should we buy? Critical thinking, sir. You want somebody to buy something, but you are shitting on that thing that you want them to buy. How do you want them to buy it? Please, let us get serious. Now, Baumia, aya DAB kwesiadeya etwemu. Now, in fact, I am a day. Me who say Ken no so call ye Methodist. Is it the idea I do? I grow right there. Me who say honorable Kennedy Japan so call Methodist. Ako sorry. Ye Papa Baumia on so call Reverend Usu Bempa. Sorry. Now for me, I was laughing. Mimi ameka just say Baumia intelligent. Yamontias you. Baumia, or you're very, very intelligent. Mean wasting my time, no. Muntie dia Baumia ko kanye. Me wia mechirim no biati. Obi anhwebi. When I tell you we shouldn't let this man go. This man is an asset. Let us take it serious. Muntie. Na they are not odi esumne animu no. Utie. They are not odi sumne animu no. Em so ye Peace FM 4 presenters nibi. He tried taking so many shots in so many directions against the vice president. But it all fell flat. Because he mentioned she said so ba no near Christopher Ebekasa. Why do we say Christianity? Because of somebody that was birthed by the name Christ. I call him Yeshua HaMashiach, Son of the Living God. And because that is the real name they gave him, because those times, no, not the letter J, into share the old Bible, the first Bible, near the end of the Bible, Egypt, near the end, they used to use I. Yesu, no more use I. Change I, no, and yes, I why lie be, yeah, na fi Hebrew for be, yeah, na fi J, no. When J came was when King James. When King James Bible, the first King James Bible was being written, was when it was being, it's not written, translated into the English language.